Your bedroom is definitely the one place in your house where you spend most of your time. Why not make it as comfortable and elegant as possible? It may seem like a lot of work to make your bedroom look like a 5-star hotel suite, but with these smart gadgets, it's actually a lot easier than you think. We have everything here, from gadgets that can help you sleep easily to ones that will brighten your morning. So please keep watching. Hello and welcome to TechWiz, the channel where technology is simplified. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and switch on notifications to be alerted of new uploads. We all enjoy having a new gizmo in our bedroom. There's nothing like waking up in the morning and simply admiring your surroundings. The problem is that determining exactly what you'd like is difficult. Sure, you can blow your budget on the latest and greatest, but what if you don't really need it? So we went out and selected some of the best bedroom gadgets and put them together in this list. We hope it will assist you in deciding what to do next in your room. Google Home is, of course, at the top of the list. Google Home isn't only for the bedroom. It has a slew of features that make it a valuable addition to your nightstand. You can set your morning alarm and snooze it if you need extra sleep, or you might turn it off if you didn't feel like getting up at all. You can even tell it to play whatever song is stuck in your head when you wake up just by saying, "Okay, Google, play the music that says, 'Wake up, it's a beautiful morning.'" By saying, "Okay, Google, good morning," you'll get a quote to motivate you for the day. You could inquire what the weather is like so you can dress accordingly, get traffic updates, or even a customized wake-up digest, all for only $129.99. Google Home will finally make its way to the United Kingdom in April. If you want something similar but without the Google Smarts, the Amazon Echo can accomplish a lot of the same things. There's nothing like resting in your cozy bed to make you feel better. Invest in your bed and check out the purple Hybrid Premier Plush mattress for a luxurious night's sleep. It relieves aches and pains while also supporting pressure spots such as your shoulders and hips. When you turn on this mattress, its springy coils react rapidly, allowing it to reshape and readjust. Of course, pillows are just as vital as a good mattress, so pamper yourself with this Dreampad connected pillow set. With the Dreampad connected pillows, you can say goodbye to restless evenings. They employ a proprietary vibration mechanism that aids in falling asleep and staying asleep. The best part is that they come in various sizes, from adult to toddler, and they connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Your room will be cozier than ever with the Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool Link. Despite its name, the Link is a warmer, cooler, and air purifier with an app, not a Zelda-themed smart fan. Price-wise, it's a big splurge. But if you're the kind of person that can't sleep unless the air is ideal, you can discover it's well worth it. The app isn't a useless add-on. It's a powerful control center that allows you to monitor and adjust every aspect of your environment. You can monitor the air quality, temperature, and humidity of your room from anywhere in the world. The Link does a wonderful job of heating and cooling, as you'd expect from a Dyson product. And really, any fan at this price of $499.95, and it's oddly entertaining to monitor air quality in real time. But more crucially, it will make life much easier for folks with breathing problems, allergies, and precise temperature requirements. Or, like me, people who prefer sleeping in a sauna for no apparent reason. It even has a night mode to ensure the screen doesn't blind you in the dark. That's fantastic, isn't it? Check out the Atmoph Window 2 Smart Wall Scenery Display for a more aesthetically beautiful space. Do you want to make your bedroom windows view better? This is where the Atmoph Window 2 Smart Wall Scenery Display comes in handy. You can choose among 1,000 featured views in this window-shaped display. Otherwise, you may connect Windows 2 to your phone's films and photos. Surprisingly, the views featured aren't just still photographs, but include movies with sounds for a more realistic scene. With these SleepPhones, you can get your 8 hours of sleep and reset your body clock. You become an expert in sleep time acoustics after living in a basement flat off a busy road with single glazing. SleepPhones are still our favorite solution to block out snoring-inducing noise in the bedroom or wherever else you might want to nap. They're flat earphones with a soft fabric headband that connects to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can listen to music, podcasts, or white noise while you sleep. Because the SleepPhones associated software isn't very good, I'd recommend using one of the many other white noise apps available in the App Store. You can also use the band to cover your eyes if you prefer total darkness while sleeping. There is a wired version available, but we recommend getting the wireless version. The cost savings aren't worth the hassle and anxiety of sleep strangulation. Yikes! Oh, and did we mention that this incredible gizmo is only $99.95? Yes, you heard that correctly. Every few days, you'll need to charge them through USB, although it's best just to set them on charge when you wake up. There's a wireless charging version for a slightly higher price in the US. You've probably already heard about the Amazon Kindle Voyage if you're a bookworm. There are almost as many types of Kindle as there are unauthorized biographies of Donald Trump. But the Kindle Voyage is our favorite for late-night reading. It features a backlight, just like the Paperwhite and Oasis versions. But the Voyage also has a sensor that can detect how much light is in the room and adjust the brightness accordingly. This is something we're all used to on our phones, so bringing it to a device you'll use for reading makes perfect sense. The Voyage has a 6-inch touchscreen with a pleasant 300 ppi resolution, is slim and light enough to carry around, and doesn't cause the same eye strain as reading on a phone or tablet. There is a model with free 3G for an additional fee, but considering it holds tons of books and only needs charging every few weeks, you'll be more than satisfied with the Wi-Fi edition if you plan ahead a little. The Ikea Nordli wireless charging bedside table has everyone's attention. If you have a Qi wireless charging phone, it's worth acquiring one of these just to see how your favorite non-techie friend reacts when you show them. Leaving your phone to charge on your bedside table feels like the kind of futuristic magic we were promised. And integrated two items that are virtually always together makes so much sense. Most smart home products make far less sense. With a price tag of $109.99, it's a good deal. Wireless charging is slow, but it doesn't matter if your phone is going to sit there till you wake up. If you don't want to arrange your bedroom furniture around your phone, IKEA also sells lamps with the technology built in. But in any case, it's almost worth having a Qi phone simply for the novelty. We propose the Philips Hue for improved lighting. There are a lot of smart bulb brands to choose from these days, and which one is ideal for you depends on what other smart devices you have in your home. For example, if you already have Hive, there's no need to buy the complete Hue system because you can just utilize your existing hub and acquire the cheaper Hive bulbs. Overall, Philips Hue is the most feature-rich of the smart lighting platforms, and it's the one we'd recommend for your boudoir if money weren't an issue. Why? For starters, you have a huge variety of bulb, fitting, and mounting options, making it much easier to incorporate smart lighting into your existing decor. And second, because it works exceptionally well. The Hue platform works with pretty much everything you'd want it to: Alexa, HomeKit, Google Home, Nest, and so on. In the bedroom, you can use the app to automatically ease your awake with a personal sunrise, obviating the need for a wake-up lamp. We could have included a lot more goods in this roundup, but we focused on those that are broadly available, either now or soon, and offer clever functionality that adds value to the experience rather than being slapped on because everyone is doing it. And that concludes today's video. We hope you find the best product for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be alerted of each new upload. TechWiz here, and we'll see you in the next video.